because when I play hard all the time. You know, there's no turn it on here, turn it off here. It's just 110% at all times. So, you know, if I burn out, that means my career's short. I go play golf somewhere.
Yeah.
But I just never, in my whole life, I've never paced myself. It's all just go out and do your best. And a lot of people worry about me burning out. And I never had the time to worry about it.
I never feel that I'm at my best. I feel I still have room to improve. I still set goals for myself to strive for. I still feel I have a lot to prove, not just as a player, but as a person, as a father, to some extent as a role model in all aspects. So I'm never really too complacent with myself or with what I've achieved. When I get to a point where I feel I can improve as a player, I walk away from the game. I still feel that I have a plateau that, you know, I hadn't reached yet in terms of my skills or my expectations of myself.